Hi, and welcome. In this practice, we'll be doing a breathing technique and then sitting for a few moments of silence. The breathing technique we'll be using is the box breath. Breathing in to the count of 4, holding the breath for 4, exhaling for 4, and holding again for 4. The box breathing technique is a beautiful practice to support you in finding a place of calm and ease within yourself. So whenever you're ready, take a moment to get comfortable. You can be lying down or sitting upright, whatever feels right for you and your body. The eyes can be open or closed. And just taking a moment here just to scan down throughout our body, noticing where we're holding on to any tension or tightness. Seeing where we can begin to let go. And now shifting the focus to the natural rhythm of the breath. So noticing that gentle rising and falling sensation of the breath in the body. And if you'd like for this practice, you can rest a hand on your belly to really feel that sensation of the breath. As we do this technique, you can breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the nose, or breathe out through your mouth. Whatever feels right for you. So let's begin. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. Just continuing in that way. Going at a pace and a rhythm that feels right for you. Ensuring that we're breathing into the belly. Filling the body with air, and on the exhale, softening and letting go. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. The beauty of this practice is that it invites us to focus on our breath and on our counting. And in this way, we are training the mind to be here. to be with the breath, be with the body, and be in this present moment. As you continue to breathe, allowing the body to be soft, softening the eyebrows, unclenching the jaw, relaxing any tension in the shoulders, continuing to breathe in that way. We're almost done. In 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. On your next exhale, just slowly and gently returning the breath back to its natural rhythm and pace. Taking a moment here just to check in with your body and noticing how you're feeling. What's alive in you in this moment? And for the remainder of this practice, we'll continue to sit in silence, still paying attention to that gentle rising and falling sensation of the breath. And when your practice is done, I'll sound the bells and guide us out of the practice. Just gently beginning to notice any sounds around you in your space. Feeling the weight of your body pressing down into the surface beneath you. Maybe taking a gentle stretch. And whenever you're ready, slowly and gently opening your eyes.